Hello friends, I am Shivaji Valke. In today's session of commodity market, we are going to learn about historical development or progress of commodity market in world and India. So we'll begin with historical development of commodity market in world. Trading in commodity futures has long histories, though the modern trade in commodity futures could trace its origin back to the 17th century in Osaka, Japan. There is evidence to suggest that a form of future trading in commodities existed in China 6,000 years earlier. So trading in commodity futures having long history, as per the modern trade, they have received some evidence in 17th century in Osaka, Japan. As per that evidence that say that in China, this commodity futures having 6,000 years earlier. Then second one, Chicago Board of Trade, that is CBOT, was established in the year of 1848 to bringing farmers and merchants together. As per this CBOT, that is Chicago Board of Trade, remember this for short form, was established in America in the year of 1848 for bringing farmers and merchants together for business transactions or future tradings. Then arrival future exchange, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange was established in 1919. Meanwhile, future exchange exists all over the world. So firstly, future exchange have been started by this Chicago Mercantile Exchange in the year of 1990, and during the same time all over the world so many exchanges also started. Then to the continuation of history, Chicago Board Option Exchange started trading call options contract on a 16 stock in the year of 1973. But before this 1973's CBOE succeeded to creating an ordinary market with an well-defined contracts. So first time this CBOE, that is Chicago Board Option Exchange, having started this call options in the year of 1973 for 16 stocks. But before this CBOE, throughout the world there was call option systems, but this CBOE having started with well ordinary markets and well defined markets. Then in the year of 1977 by this CBOE, Chicago Board Option Exchange, having started this put options. Okay, now call option means for buying and put option means for selling. So they have started with both option in 1973 and 1977. Then the CBOE now trades option on over 1200 stocks and many different stock indices like futures, options, having proved to be very popular contracts. Many other exchanges throughout the world now trade options. The underlying assets include the foreign currencies, future contract, as well as stock and stock indices. So the CBOE, that is Chicago Board Option Exchange, having started trading in a 1200 stock like futures, options and many other things. Okay, like even foreign currency and future contract also. Then trading, traditionally derivatives traders have met on a floors of exchange and used to shouting and complicated set of hand signals to indicate the trades they would like to be carry out. This is known as open octree systems. Then this CBOE in Chicago Board Option Exchange, they have started with an open octree systems, means coming to the exchange floors and shouting and making some complicated signals for the transaction in a commodities. You might be seen having a that Harshad Mehta series, web series. In recent years, exchange have increasingly moved from open octree system to the electronic tradings, and then latter involves traders entering their desired trades at the keyboards and computer being used to match buyers and sellers, there seems to be little doubt and eventually all exchanges will use electronic tradings. So firstly, in open octree systems, they have started the trading through need to come on floor exchange, then shout with any your prices or anything, make some hand signals and do the exchange activities. Then later on, this systems comes into the through the electronic trading, that is through over the keyboard and computers. And now it is an totally online or totally on computer and even your smartphone also. So this is about the history of commodity market in world. If you make timeline for this history, then it would be like this one. Firstly, China, there is an evidence that suggests that the future trading is an 6,000 years earlier started in China as per the evidence founded in Osaka, Japan. Then secondly, in the year of 1848 by Chicago Board of Trade established for meeting the farmers and merchant together for business transactions. Then in the year of 1919 by this CME, that is Chicago Mercantile Exchange, they have started future exchange in a certain commodities. Then in the year of 1973 by Chicago Board of Option Exchange having started call options in their certain in 16 commodities in the year of 1973. Then in the year of 1977, this CBOET having started put option in their contract. Then Chicago Board Option Exchange having started nowadays they have started nearly about trading in a 1200 stocks in a many different stock indices like futures, options or even foreign currencies and other things also. Then traditionally derivatives traders on a traditionally derivatives traders used to come on a floors and shout and give some price signals, and unlike that they have carried out their trading operations. Nowadays if you see the everything is on your hand or everything is in your keyboard or computers or computer link network. So this is about the today's sessions. Now what we learn today? Today we have seen about history or development of commodity market in world. Okay, so firstly आज कुठे झालं हे पहिल्यांदी चायनामध्ये 6000 वर्षापूर्वीच हे चालू होतं असं निदर्शनात आलं. ते कधी 17व्या शतकात ज्यावेळेस ओसाका या जपानमध्ये एका ठिकाणी एव्हिडन्स भेटले त्यानुसार चायनामध्ये हे 6000 वर्षापूर्वीच चालू होतं असं सांगितलं. त्याच्यानंतर 1848 मध्ये पहिल्यांदा शिकागो बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रेड चालू झालं की जे फार्मर्सला आणि मर्चंट किंवा आपण ज्याला म्हणतो फार्मर्स आणि व्यापारी यांना एकत्र आणण्याचं की कशासाठी बिझनेस ट्रान्झॅक्शनच्या पर्पजसाठी एकत्र आणण्याचं काम केलं. त्याच्यानंतर इन द इयर ऑफ 1999 ओके 1919ला काय झालं CME दॅट इज शिकागो मर्चंटाइल एक्सचेंज स्थापन झालं कशासाठी फ्युचर ट्रेडिंगसाठीच ओके किंवा फ्युचर एक्सचेंजसाठी. त्याच्यानंतर इन द इयर ऑफ 1973 फर्स्ट टाइम CBOE ओके टी नाही इथं शिकागो बोर्ड ऑप्शन एक्सचेंज त्यांनी काय केलं कॉल ऑप्शन नावाची सुविधा केली चालू ओके 16 स्टॉकमध्ये हे 1973 मध्ये. पण हे त्याच्या आधी पण चालू होतं पण शिकागो बोर्ड ऑप्शन एक्सचेंजने काय केलं चांगल्या प्रकारे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट डिफाईन केलं त्याचा मार्केट ऑर्डर चांगल्या प्रकारे लावला आणि तेव्हापासून लिगली हे ग्राह्य धरलं चालू लागलं ओके. त्याच्यानंतर 1977ला त्यांनी शिकागो बोर्ड ऑप्शन एक्सचेंजने पुन्हा काय केलं पुट ऑप्शन इंट्रोड्यूस केला. त्याच्यानंतर शिकागो बोर्ड ऑप्शन एक्सचेंज ह्याच्यानंतर जवळजवळ 1200 स्टॉकमध्ये हे फ्युचर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट किंवा कमोडिटी फ्युचर्स करतात ओके. मग त्याच्यामध्ये स्टॉक इंडायसेस आहेत फ्युचर्स आहेत ऑप्शन आहेत फॉरेन करन्सीज आहेत किंवा आणखी काय आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर ट्रॅडिशनली जर पाहिलं आपण तर ट्रॅडिशनली काय करायचे लोक की त्या एक्सचेंजच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती यायचं आणि मोठ्याने ओरडून किंवा हाताने साईन सिम्बॉल करून काहीतरी त्या प्रकारे प्राईज ठरवायचे. ओके, इवन आपण ते हर्षद मेहताच्या वेबसिरीजमध्ये सुद्धा पाहिलेलं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर तेच पुढं जाऊन आत्ताच्या घडीला जर पाहिलं तर ते संपूर्ण ऑनलाईन झालेलं आहे किंवा संपूर्ण बायर्स आणि सेलर्सला लिंक केलं गेलेलं आहे आणि तुमच्या मोबाईलवरती किंवा तुमच्या लॅपटॉपच्या कीबोर्डवरती सुद्धा ते सर्व आलेलं आहे. ओके, सो दिस अबाउट द whole today's sessions. In next session we'll see about the history of commodity market development in India. So I hope you have understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.